So the plum comes through really nicely. This is like when in spring, it's my favorite like thing of spring, when like all the apple and cherry and plum and crabapple trees start blooming and you just get those beautiful blossoming trees. You get the floral and the plum, and it's bright and it's springy, and it is just like a springtime garden wrapped up in a glass. So let's go shopping. So first, for our Japanese garden, we're going to use Valentine's White Blossom Vodka. This is gluten-free vodka made from Valentine Distilling in Detroit, and then it is flavored with elderflower. It's also got a kind of subtle grapefruit note to it. It's beautifully smooth and brings sweetness and a floralness, but it's not overly sweet like some flavored vodkas. It really is a lovely quality and brings that to this cocktail. And then next, we have the Akashi, and this is their Japanese plum flavored whiskey. So it is a flavored whiskey, but again, it's not going to be a super sweet sort of flavored whiskey. The whiskey definitely comes through, but so does the lovely plum flavor that harmonizes really nicely with the floral elements in this cocktail to kind of bring that plum and the floral together to make this Japanese garden. All right, I'm gonna show you how to make our Japanese garden. So you're gonna start with a whatever you call this, the pitcher, but it's
the mixing glass?
The mixing glass. The mixing glass. You're gonna start with the mixing glass with ice and 1.5 ounces of the elderflower vodka, 1.5 ounces of the Akashi plum whiskey, 1/2 ounce lime juice, stir. Martini glass, strainer, dash orange bitters. So this is butterfly pea flower. We just pour it over the spoon, maybe. Don't spill. That's like a little swirly tornado on top. And that is how you make a Japanese garden.